Good afternoon, people. Hope your day is going great so far. You're there with Just Facts and we're there only for spit just the facts. You see me, people? Hope everybody enjoy them little Easter holidays so far. I don't know, today is Saturday, is 4:20. So all of the blazers them, the high graders them, I don't know what I do today. Yeah, man. But right now, this is about a mackerel, you know, people. Mackerel review is not about sardine or tuna. So Mackerel mother come out and she speak out and I say, yo, she not like what her daughter do. It no look right. This I forget a man or tech people man business. She say she disgrace herself in the public. She say basically she was a unruly child. She no listen, she just do what she feel like, do her own thing. So her mother have a big problem with this right now. And I'm going to just read what go on with the mother. Before I read that though, people, I hope this not turn out like the Dalton situation in a X Factor where Dalton become a star and then the mother, you know, I hope it not turn out that way because Mackerel dep on her little mission. Me don't know what other people think about Mackerel and doing her little gimmicks them or whatever. But me personally feel like some gimmicks are just for draw attention and you know, in this day and age, you have to have little strategies. Even if I know that you're about, I just forget people attention so you can do business. So you notice Mackerel right now, she had a whole heap of little sponsorship deals with different companies and advertising, brand advertising. So she make her little money and at the end of the day, we don't see her out there take no people man and we don't hear nobody come out and I say, Mackerel take her man for real. All of them things are just entertainment and them come out in a songs, them come out in a little video clips where the people them laugh. Yeah, we don't know if Mackerel still are going still cause it look like people get kinda tired of it right now, you see me? But if she have to find new ways of marketing and making the thing continue, she have to just do that. But anyway, back to where Mackerel mother say. So the star releases. Mackerel's mother bears all, says daughter was uncontrollable. Shirley Black is a broken woman. The mother of Ladasha Mackerel, Francis Black, has spent the last few weeks watching in despair as her daughter uses her proclivity to take people man as a way of racking up likes and followers on social media. So Black said that she is extremely disappointed with the image that her only daughter has been portraying. I wanted her to be a professional, you know, like nurse and doctor and lawyer, you know, them professional thing. I think that's what Mackerel's mother was looking for, but didn't turn out that way. So as Mackerel mother say, I wanted her to be a professional and taking people's man is not professional. Well, maybe Mackerel become a professional upon taking people man, we don't know. But at the end of the day, she is not mashing up herself and she has to think about what she will tell her children and grandchildren, her mother said. So when you think about these people, you think Mackerel mother go too hard upon her because she'll get the clout, you know, she'll get the followers, the views, the likes. All of them things where her mother say that is all she chasing, but it can't be just that alone. Mackerel smarter than that, man. Mackerel knows say the more followers, the more views, the more likes, and the more brand deals she'll get, the more sponsorship, the more money she'll go make. Yeah, cause nobody now go want advertise with nobody where can get some clout. You see me? Yeah, so I hope this not turn out to be one of them X Factor situation there as we say. And her mother talk out now she become a bigger star than the little popular street credit we she have for this joke thing. You see me? Yeah, so I share the little video with her with the star release and you know hear what her mother say.
I want her to be professional. Taking people's man is not professional. And I don't care what people want to say. At the end of the day, she is missing out. She is mashing up her life and self. And whatever she might tell her grandchildren, if and when she gets them. Because if you notice, I said grandchildren because she has a child. So we have to be mindful that one day this fame will be over, and it's over in a minute. And where is her talent? It's not like me. She can't say like me, who sits and writes songs, who has a level of amount of education. So I would want her to get that starts her career somewhere else other than taking people's money. So that's how I see it. I see her. I wished she could be subjected to change. Since she get the fame, she doesn't talk to me regularly. I have to be now calling her, and that even prompts me to want to talk to the star. She was right here, and I was the one who cooked the dinner that Sunday. It was the 3rd of March. I saw her the last time, and after that I kept calling. I would ask her, "Where are you going now?" Like, on a different party, and she said, "No, I'm not, I don't know what to tell anybody." That's how she styles me, you don't have to tell nobody when you go. But she would call her brother, and she would tell him, because he sees. I want to see her in a setting that one would respect her, look at her as this kind of person, one who easily say, "I'm sorry," one who will always have this kind of heart, really verbally abusive. She cursed me real hard. But in 2017, when she could not find her way, she came back to me again, and I was there for her, and until the time when she went viral. So she was never abandoned by me. She was never lived in Spanish Town. She was never. So I don't know what is it that she doesn't, why she doesn't like me, what I did, I don't know. But when she was down the other day, she came back, and we have a good thing going, because even the day before the video viral, she was at my house, and right here. So I don't know, but I needed for Jamaica and the world to know.
She still has a vision problem?
She still. That is why her eyes twitches. Yes, because she had cataract extraction. So it's not like she is legally blind. Because once you pass through the school for the blind, by the doctor's recommendation, you are required as legally blind. So that is how she is. But as again I said, she was never abandoned. She was nothing near.
How do you feel about the image that she's now portraying as it relates to taking people?
I feel real bad. I feel bad because I'm saying if she wanted to be a comedian, that would not have been her way. Because I can tell you that if I pretty much I am a comedian. Because if I can say the simplest of things, and persons would laugh. And Ladesha, obviously, maybe she might have been protecting me in some sense, but she's destroying my heart in some other sense, because she knows my background, because she knows that I am also a product of this country. For me, with such a charisma, I would not want to abandon my child, because that would defame my character and all kind of thing. But I believe, and she said it numerous times to people, because even in 2017 she was an interview and said, my mother was giving me $450 a day after I became a student. My man gave me $500. So she was like this kind of money kind of person, and she would do anything in her way to get money. She would do anything in her way to get money.
So there you have it, people. Yeah, man. And comment on the thoughts down below in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe who haven't done so yet. I don't know. It's just Fox, and I'm out.